Hi, I'm Bella Karakis, and I'm the CEO of Eterra Kitchen. We are a flexible commercial kitchen for food and beverage companies to come in and produce without the stress of having to recreate the wheel every time. We serve a very wide range of food and beverage businesses, from gelato makers, juicing companies, caterers, bakers, savory and sweet, French food, West African food, and you name it. Our mission is to provide a full customizable solution, and Rational has been an amazing addition because it helps chefs to be more efficient, to have less labor costs, save time, and it's a huge win for all. It doesn't matter how small or big the operation is.
My mission for Emily Made This is to reach all parts of New York City, but especially Harlem and the Bronx. A kitchen like Eterra has helped because they have all the best technology. Rational is just more efficient in baking, especially with my products. They all need different baking times and baking temperatures. Rational takes all the guesswork out of it. And I need that so that I can get to as many people in my community as I can.
Consistency is key in any operation that you start. This type of equipment, it allows us to elevate the level of the production that we make. We offer gluten-free baked goods. The use of the Rational allows me to develop a crust and a crumb by the steam injection. The bread itself really does have a unique characteristic that if not using the Rational, our customers would be able to tell the difference.
As a new company and one that's growing day by day, I'm not able to have a full payroll staff just yet, so I'm kind of a one-man band. And having something like the iCombi, the Rational behind me in a kitchen that I rely on, set my rice, set my proteins, set my vegetables, and go over and keep prepping, to keep executing on other items. I feel confident every time I'm preparing for a catering gig.
It is that transformative piece of equipment that can replace so many other pieces of equipment in a traditional kitchen.
If you're looking to have the next level product,
Rational iCombi
Will exceed your expectations.